Ever noticed how blurring role boundaries turns agile sprint planning into a mindless feature factory? Let's fix that.
Simply put, an anti-pattern is any sneaky behavior that totally sabotages your team's sprint progress. Scrum thrives on boundaries. Developers guard the how and capacity. Product owners protect the what and value.
Let's look at developer dysfunctions. When devs ignore their true capacity, sprint predictability is instantly wrecked. Overestimating happens constantly. We totally forget to calculate public holidays, sick leave, and mandatory corporate meetings. You absolutely need a 20% slack time buffer. It's a lifesaver for handling risks and sudden bottlenecks. Without that slack, teams fall into this toxic "I'm busy" mentality, totally collapsing natural self-organization. Plus, failing to demand capacity for technical debt and bug fixes traps you in a nasty downward spiral. Moving on to product owner dysfunctions. This happens when they dictate value but completely skip the product vision. If you can't answer why a sprint matters, the work becomes a boring checklist killing all team motivation. Bringing an unrefined, messy backlog creates instant chaos. It basically forces your developers to plan completely blind. Then there's the 11th hour squeeze. Forcing last-minute changes shows a massive failure to set boundaries with pushy stakeholders. Never weaponize historical velocity. Forcing developers to take on too much directly accelerates burnout and nasty technical debt. Also, watch out for the sunk cost fallacy. Never blindly roll over unfinished stories without reevaluating their business value. These failures chain together. An unprepared product owner causes rushed planning, which leads straight into chronic overcommitment. To fix this, respect the boundaries. Developers must fiercely protect capacity, while product owners maintain fully actionable backlogs. So ask yourself, are your sprints delivering true value, or are you just feeding a mindless feature factory?